Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to simplify the polynomial expression. So the expression is given as minus of 6q minus 4 multiplied by 9q, and then we have plus within pair of brackets minus of 8q minus 3. Now from the rules of algebra we know that at first we have to simplify the bracket, that is the off operator, and then after that we have to simplify the multiplicative operator, and finally we have to simplify the additive operator. So in this sequence we are going to solve this question. So let's simplify the brackets first. So over here we have minus of 6q multiplied by 9q, which is minus of 54 q square, and then we have 9q multiplied by minus of 4, which is minus of 36q, and over here we have plus minus of 8q, so it will become minus of 8q, and plus of minus 3 will become minus of 3. So minus of 54 q square minus of 36q minus of 8q minus 3. So minus of 54 q square minus of 36q minus 8q will become minus 44q, and then we have minus 3. So upon checking the options, we see that option C, therefore option C will be the required correct answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.